Hey, it's Molly from the Feedfeed, and today I'm gonna show you how to saber champagne. Okay, I'm not really gonna do that because I don't know how, and this is Prosecco, but we are going to make a delicious green chartreuse cocktail. So green chartreuse is this like herbaceous liqueur. It's from southeastern France. I've never been there, unfortunately, but it makes one mean cocktail. So let's get started. So it's about a quarter cup of fresh mint into each glass. And I'm gonna add about an ounce of fresh lime juice right to the mint. So like I said, the chartreuse is really bitter, so the lime juice is gonna help to balance out, add some acidity. And we are just going to muddle this until the mint starts to break down, releases its oils. If you are not a huge fan of sort of like bitter flavors in your cocktails, you could add a little bit of simple syrup or even just like a sugar cube while you muddle. Okay, so our mint is broken down. We're gonna go into each glass with 2 ounces of the green chartreuse. I think it's like 2 monks actually know the recipe, so like no one knows what's in here. I guess, but I don't know what really is. Okay, so now our Prosecco. You should always, what's the rule? Keep your thumb on the cage. And the whisper. I don't know the whisper. I just usually do this. Okay, guest appearance. Can you saber it?
I'm not going to saber it. Though it needs to be super chill if you want to saber it. So I remember this in service class. You do not want any sound. There's no pop. No
I like the pop, but okay.
No.
All right.
You twist the bottle.
We're classy here at the Feedfeed.
And slowly it's going to whisper.
Or shoot me right in the face.
Silence.
Amazing. It's about 4 ounces of Prosecco. I'm gonna eyeball it because you can't go wrong with more Prosecco, right? That looks pretty good. I'm just gonna give this a nice little stir. Once it hits like April, I can no longer drink red wine. It's like the moment is over for me. So before rosé season starts, which is May, I like to drink cocktails. So this is a really nice one. But you have to be careful. Like this was inspired by an Chartreuse Spritz, but like this is not a joke. Like this is, what is this? 55 ABV. So that's nothing to sneeze at. We are going to garnish with a fresh lime wheel. Just a tiny bit of club soda. And some fresh mint. It's so bright, it's super fresh for spring. And who's gonna come cheers me? I will. Okay. Cheers. Really good, but it's like, you get a little bit of a boozy afterbite, but like not so much.
And it's not too sweet, which I like.
Yeah, that's what I love too. Thanks so much for watching.